Hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a simple gradient effect to a text and how to add colors to the text. Let's get started. The first thing to do is get yourself a new project by going to File, New. Let's set the size and the units first. Centimeters 29.7, 21, the size of an A4, 72 as a resolution is a good resolution, we can keep it. Make sure it's RGB color and create. First thing to do here is to get a color to our background. Let's transform it to a layer by double clicking on it. Layer 0, okay. Let's have a color for our background. The black, I want it a black. Then let's go to the paint bucket tool, or you can press the letter G on your keyboard, then click. Now let's create our text by clicking on the text tool in the toolbar, and then let's increase the size, edit, it's a black color, let's have a light color, blue color, edit, with that, and click OK in the option bar. Let's move it to the center. I want to change the font of the text. Okay. Now let's add the gradient effect to our text. It's by double clicking on the text layer in the layer panel. Then we go to gradient overlay, and here we have the gradient bar. We can click on it and we can change the color by clicking on the stop at the bottom of the gradient bar to a darker blue. See, and we can change the ending stop to purple color, and we can also add any color stop by just clicking on the bottom of the gradient bar when the hand appears. I want to add the green color. Okay, and okay. Now, as you are seeing, the angle is 90 degrees. We can change the angle, and you are seeing how the gradient effect is changing. Also, we can decrease and increase the opacity, we can control it, and the scale of the gradient. Let's click OK. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it, and please subscribe to my channel.